Namaskar friends, welcome to E-Spirit World channel. Lord Shiva is an epitome of tranquility. The road to Lord Shiva's blessings is hard, but once you win his heart, he is kind enough to give you what you want to desire. Do you love someone? Do you want him or her in your life as a married partner? Then you should know how to please Lord Shiva for love marriage. You can be together just like Shiva and Parvati. Love marriage is still a taboo in Indian culture. A boy choosing his life partner or vice versa is considered as a sin in many families to date. It is like dishonoring the family's respect and tradition. But if you are right to your heart and love, then praying to Lord Shiva can help you get your love by your side forever. Whether it be an early marriage or a late one, Shiva can answer your prayers. For this, you need to be pure, genuine, honest, and have patience. How to worship Lord Shiva? Lord Shiva is not fond of any materialistic thing. You do not need any fancy things to please him. You need a clean, pure mind and heart to win his blessings. Monday is the day of Lord Shiva. Every Monday, visit Lord Shiva temple. After taking a bath, worship Lord Shiva by offering raw milk, water, belpatra, and dhatura flower. Also recite Mahamrityunjay mantra or Triambak mantra sitting in front of Lord Shiva. This mantra helps you keep away all negative energies, untimely death, and dangerous disease. This is one step on how to please Lord Shiva for love marriage. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvararukamiv bandhanan mrityamokshamamrita. It is a potent mantra. Even if you are not visiting Lord Shiva temple, you can recite this mantra at any time of the day. The number is countless. It will please Lord Shiva and you will seek blessings from him. Mantra to offer Lord Shiva for love marriage. The other name of Lord Shiva is Bholenath. As he is very kind, he even gives you prosperity and peace to the life of a devotee. Problems in love marriage can be anything: intercaste marriage, age gap, rich and poor class, and many more problems. But any lovebirds performing Lord Shiva worship with a true heart will get results. The mantra has powerful effects on turning anyone's heart, but you have to pray with a pure heart. Lord Shiva is the strongest god among all the gods, hence his mantra for love marriage is also very strong. So here goes the mantra and it's in Sanskrit. Vajrakaran शिवेरुधरुधं वेम मायि अमृत कुरु कुरु स्वाहा. Listen to the mantra again. Vajrakaran शिवेरुधरुधं वेम मायि अमृत कुरु कुरु स्वाहा. If you properly chant this mantra, then you can get a positive effect. The instructions to chant this mantra: visit the Lord Shiva temple and take Mahadev and Goddess Parvati together picture and chant this mantra for about 10,000 times in almost 11 days. After 11 days, you will witness that it becomes your habit. Now you can recite this mantra for 108 times in a single day. Chant the mantra daily until you marry your lover. It takes dedication, determination, and true love to chant the mantra daily. There is no proof of this 100% results, but it is a belief that grows with your love and dedication towards Lord Shiva. Like love, praying to Lord Shiva for love, marriage is also a feeling. You must bring that feeling deep into your heart, and you will be able to win over your love. How to chant this mantra? Sit in front of idol or photo in the temple or puja room in your house. Take a bath and enter the religious area. Then, after offering puja, close your eyes, sit in a calm pose, and then start the chanting on the mantra. The mantra should be clear and you can hear your voice through chanting. When you close your eyes, you focus much better. It is another sign to get back to your love. Now you know how to please Lord Shiva for love marriage. This is the basic posture to chant Lord Shiva mantra. You should have no materialistic pleasure. Instead, you should have focused goal while chanting the mantra. Then only you can win the heart of Lord Shiva. Do you love someone truly? Want your love person back in your life? So, you know the mantra on how to please Lord Shiva for love marriage. Practice it with a pure heart and he will listen to your prayers too. Home worship of Lord Shiva. Every day offer prayers to Lord Shiva Linga without fail. Worship one time in the morning and other times during the evening. Offer water, milk, vibhuti to Lord Shiva Linga. Then light agarbatti and jyoti in front of the linga. Then offer Belpatra or Bilvapatra and flower chanting Om Namah Shivaya. Each time on Monday, you must offer milk or any sweet that is made of milk. Astrological aspects to worship Lord Shiva for love marriage. It is believed that if you offer honey to Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, then they will listen to your prayer very soon. You can even perform Rudra Abhishek to Lord Shiva to fulfill your desire to marry the person you love genuinely. 16 Mondays fast is a popular vrat for Lord Shiva. Usually girls give this vrat to get husbands like caring, loving Lord Shiva. You should wear Gauri Shankar, 2 beads Rudraksha. Wearing this will give you the confidence and power to marry the person you love. So friends, hope you will like this information. Write in the comment box and do not forget to share. Then we'll meet in the next video with a new topic. Thank you. Goodbye.